In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust video volume and mute or unmute quickly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control what you hear, so your video sounds just right without any guesswork. First, start by opening the video you want to watch and pressing play. Getting the video to start is important because most players only show the audio controls when the video is active or when you move your mouse over the player. If you don't see the controls right away, hover your cursor over the video area or tap the screen so the control bar appears. Now, let's adjust the volume. Look toward the bottom left corner of the video player for the speaker icon. Click that icon once to reveal the volume slider if it isn't already visible. You'll see a horizontal or vertical slider next to the speaker. Click and drag the slider upward or to the right to increase the volume, and downward or to the left to decrease it. As you move it, most players will show a changing fill level or a number to indicate how loud the audio is. Take a moment to play a few seconds of the video while adjusting the slider so you can set a comfortable listening level. If you're wearing headphones, aim for a middle setting to avoid sudden loud moments. There's also a quick way to silence and restore sound without moving the slider. Simply click the speaker icon once to mute and click it again to unmute. This is perfect for brief interruptions, like when you get a call or need a moment of quiet. You'll usually notice the speaker icon changes to show it's muted, often with a small X next to it, so you can tell at a glance whether the sound is off. A couple of helpful reminders as you fine-tune the audio. If the volume slider is all the way up but you still can't hear much, your device or system volume might be set low. Check your computer, phone, or tablet volume controls and make sure the device isn't muted. Some browsers also allow muting individual tabs, so look for a small speaker icon on the tab itself. On certain mobile players, the on-screen slider may be limited, and your hardware volume buttons control the final output, so adjust those if needed. That's all there is to it. Open your video, use the speaker icon and its slider to set the right level, and click the icon once for quick mute and unmute. With these simple controls, you'll always have the perfect volume for your watching experience.